This is everything we did on day 3 of our trip to Orlando. So we headed to Volcano Bay this day, and this was us just arriving there. We had to get on a bus from the parking garage to the actual like water park, and this was us just going up the escalator, y'all. And then we were here. I didn't get a lot of videos like of me actually in the park just because we left our phones and everything to get on the water slides, but we did stop for a quick snack break. I just got some fries, and this was another clip from the park. This was after we were leaving, y'all. I literally look a mess, but that's okay. Later that evening, we went to the World of Food Trucks, and they had so many food trucks here, y'all. They had a lot of different options. They even had a Haitian food truck, but they were closed, unfortunately, so I couldn't get anything from there. But I did end up getting food from this truck right here, y'all. These were actually the best birria tacos that I've ever had in my entire life. I'm not even lying. And this lemonade right here, this was mango strawberry. It was so good, like 10 out of 10, 1,000 out of 10 actually. But yeah, we just headed back to our Airbnb, and that was it for the night. See y'all for day 4.